Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Brent, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys how to start your very own Minecraft servers with Datapacks and not have it mess up your initial spawning area or any of the overall terrain within your Minecraft server. So as you may know, before you have a world folder and be able to add Datapacks into your file, your world, your end, all that has to be pre-generated before you can even mess with your Datapacks. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys how to do the whole process of installing Datapacks on your world so that it doesn't mess up your spawning and all of that initial process. So if you guys are brand new here to the channel, definitely go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time I release a brand new video. And of course, give this video a thumbs up, make it blue, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So right now I'm showcasing our Minecraft server, which has a few Datapacks loaded in to kind of give players a whole new experience on Minecraft. So you can see these additional biomes here. We have purple forest, red forest, there's blue ones out there, additional blooming. We also have gigantic caves and cliffs loaded in our Minecraft world. And this is all available for both Java and Bedrock players at Play.GoDungeonSMP.GA. And we're going to go ahead and share with you guys how to install these data packs yourself. So if you guys are wanting to play with friends or just wanting to play on our server just to try out these data packs, then you guys can do so. So let's go ahead and cover really quickly some data packs. And then if you guys want to use these in your Minecraft world, you guys can do so. But there's tons of other data packs to load as well. And this video will kind of showcase how to load them on your Minecraft server to not have any issues. Okay, so number one, we're going to be taking a look at Terralith. So Terralith is what we see in the overworld right now. It gives you gigantic cliffs. It gives you additional caves. You can go down to -65. You also have over 100 additional biomes that's added into your Minecraft server. So it just overall redoes the overworld and makes it look amazing. I've had a ton of positive feedback from players joining our Minecraft server, teleporting out into the wild and being in the middle of a giant red forest, you know, heading into the sky. So it's really nice overall appeal for existing players and new players to Minecraft. And the second data pack here is Insidium. This one is another expansion. So again, it's additional to your overworld. Here we're updating Nether on our Minecraft server, and you can do the same as well, where you're adding new castles into the Nether, you're adding towers and exploration, additional biomes. There's a few, I believe a few different mobs. They're sort of name mobs. There's boss mobs within specific biomes. I know when I was streaming, we came across a boss mob within the Nether. We were able to defeat him. They drop unique loot that is customized to the data pack. So it's very interesting to come across these biomes and take out the bosses. So here's one that we were streaming through, and we had some pretty fun going through the abandoned towers within the Nether. So those are just two of the data packs we're going to go ahead and cover here in today's video. So let's go ahead and again, if you guys are installing data packs, you want to install the data packs however you'd like. On this case, we're going to planetminecraft.com, looking up the specific data packs and then downloading them. So in this case, I'm going to have both of our data packs loaded right there, ready to go. Now that you have your two data packs downloaded, head over into Minecraft. Now, do not have your server built up at the moment. So we're going to go ahead and head into single player, create a brand new world. In this case, I'm going to name this one data pack because this is just going to be my example data pack. And then into the data packs, this is important, head into the data packs, click on your open pack, and it's going to take you into the specific temp folder where you're going to want to load your data packs. So wherever you saved your data packs at, go ahead and copy those data packs over into your data pack area. Go ahead and close this. So now, wherever you open your data pack folder, that's where you want to drop those data packs. And now you can go ahead and select them to turn them on. Click done, and it's going to go ahead and validate your data packs. Make sure everything is correct here and create new world. And yeah, it's going to give you the little warning here. Worlds using experimental settings are not supported. This world uses experimental settings that could stop working at any time. We cannot guarantee it'll load or work. So here be dragons. You can go ahead and click proceed. And now what we're doing now is we are pre-generating our world file with these data packs. So this whole process just takes the normal amount of time as creating a single player game, but it does have those data packs being loaded now off the start. So you're basically You're not having to start up your server, generating the world files, the world, the end, the world, the nether, and the world overall folder. So in this case, we're loading up our world using those data packs. So from the get-go, our spawning area will be already using the data pack. So here, we're going to go ahead and load in here in just a few seconds. And then we'll go on to the next step, which is starting up our Minecraft server and getting it loaded. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and quickly explore here. Whoops, I got to set myself in game mode, creative. So now we can go out and explore. So here we are in our data packs. Why can't I fly? Oh, that's right. The data pack automatically teleports you. It'll actually tell you here on the bottom left-hand side. Hello and thank you for installing Terralith. You are randomly being teleported to ensure a properly random world spawn. If you prefer to use the default spawn, click here. This will only work once. If you have any questions about the data pack, click here to join the Discord. So the creator has a really nice Discord community if you're looking for assistance in your data packs. But let's go ahead and check out a little bit of the exploration, and we should see, just as we saw earlier, look at this city. I don't think I've ever seen a village like this with a castle in the middle. It has banners out there. This is a pretty updated style of village right there. So pretty interesting right there. And let's go ahead and make our way just a little bit further. So I guess I could use TP010, and this would teleport me to essentially the center of the map. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let this load. It's going to take just a little bit here, but we can see it's starting to change. There we go. And everything is starting to come in, and there we go. So here's some of the updated hills over here. We can see that these are going up, way up into the mountains, as you wouldn't normally see in Minecraft overall. And then if we go into game mode spectator, and we head underground here, so let's go head into the mountain here, we'll see that this goes deep down into the world here. So right now we're at negative, we're not quite at negative yet, but we're going to be breaking here negative here shortly. We're now at negative 15, and we can continue to go lower here. So even down here, we're at negative 40 right now. There's those extra caves biomes, so let's go ahead and get rid of this. But here, look above me. This is all the additional generation that this data pack offers. And this is now at, what are we at? Negative, we're at negative 39. So we can actually find that this data pack goes down about negative 60, negative 65 or so. We can still see that there's still some generation down here towards the bottom. So that is what this data pack offers. I'm not going to go into the nether one, but we're just using these as examples for how to load data packs onto our Minecraft server. Okay, now that we see that everything is pre-generated, we created the world using this data pack. So now what we can do is select save and exit to title. And once your world has saved, now at this point, you can head into, let's go ahead and wait for this to save. Now at this point, you can begin to load your Minecraft server. So here in this example, I went ahead and I already have a video how to create your very own Minecraft server using the server.jar file or the paper file or the spigot. So I'll have a link in the top corner. You guys can check out that video as far as how to start up your very own Minecraft server. But in this case, you want to go through the whole process of getting the initial world and the server set up, where you have all these files. You're going to have your plugins folder for if you're using spigot or paper, the world, the end, world, nether. And once our world here actually saves, oh, there it goes. What we can do now is click into single player. We see that our data pack file is there. Go ahead and select edit, go into your open world folder. And here we can see that the data pack right here is listed. That's the world name. It's called Datapack. So here I'm going to go ahead and slide this to the right, and I'm going to go ahead and go into my server on the left hand. So here on the left we have our Minecraft server that we've already started up. It's pre-generated, the world file, the nether, the end, and such. And over here we have the Datapack world. So all we need to do now is go into the world folder, and we're going to go ahead and replace a few files. We're going to go ahead and make sure that your Minecraft server is off. go into the collect the data. So anything over here that's the same name over here, you're basically going to copy. So the data, copy that, data packs. We also want to copy the entities. We don't really need player data because I don't want to copy over my data. The POE, the region, the level.dat, the session lock, and I'm going to go ahead and just copy these additional ones. The ones I don't want to copy here are advancements because that's player related. The player data isn't important because, again, that's player data related. Stats isn't important. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy what's highlighted there and copy and paste and replace the files. And session.lock, that's because I think I'm in here. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of here and go back over here, hit try again. And there we go. It went ahead and fully transferred everything over. Okay, so all these files have now been transferred over into our Minecraft server. So here, everything's been replaced. The entire world folder has had these files from our single player moved into the world. So now what I can do here is select my start server. And now our Minecraft server is going to be loaded with these the world file here, already pre-generated. I'm going to go ahead and move off to the side here. Actually, we can just wait and see that this is loading. We can see here that it is loading. It should load the data packs. See here, right here. If we go ahead and check world and go into data packs, we'll see that these are already here because we transferred them all over. Okay, our Minecraft server is up. It took about 7 seconds. So now what we can do is click on multiplayer. Once you're in multiplayer, click on direct connect. And then this is a self-hosted Minecraft server off my computer. So I can just enter 0 right there or 127.0.0.1. And there we are. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set myself game mode. Actually, I need to opt myself. Actually, right here, I can show you guys. Right now, this is a loopback address, so it's not my public IP. I can just go ahead and type in OP unchallenge, then that'll opt myself within the game. So now over here, I can go ahead and set game mode creative, and we can go ahead and begin looking around. Now again, if you teleport to 0, 100, 0, that'll take us back to that watery area. This has already been generated in our single player mode right here. So you see how fast it loaded when we teleported here? That's because this whole chunk here, these chunks have already been generated in our single player mode. So flying around here, it's no longer an issue. So now players that are joining our Minecraft server, our world has now been generated using the data packs. It'll continue to until the till whatever, however your world borders are, it'll just continue to pull additional files and generation from that data pack into your Minecraft server. So this is pretty nice, pretty exciting. You can kind of see these different biomes kind of right next to each other. We have a sandy biome over to the left. We have a bit of a interesting biome here on the right. The different color coordination down below. We have some orange and black. And as we're flying through here, we can see that the mountains here are pretty tall. There's a lot of room to explore here in this Minecraft world. Some generated caves, and if we fly into these caves, you'll see that these are a lot bigger than normal. Okay, that one didn't go very far, but you can see these ravines. It's just the world generation here is really nice, and it's going to be a really nice exploration for players that are just wanting something outside of the typical vanilla Minecraft. This doesn't change any of the game itself. This is just adding a little bit to the overworld overall, a whole new experience to check out, explore different biomes. So that is going to be it for this video. We went ahead and covered how to download additional data packs. Number 2, we went ahead and covered how to load them up, how to install data packs on single player, how to offload your world single player mode into your Minecraft server, and then when we do load up our Minecraft server, as we have done, how the world generation is now updated. You're not going to get any sort of funky overlays between the old Minecraft generation and the new Minecraft generation, and you're going to have amazing looking biomes as we see right now all around us. There's some really nice exploration. So imagine being a new player and you're teleported into the middle of this forest, and there's gigantic trees, there's gigantic caves. You're exploring a whole new world that you've never really seen before. And then if your players do make it to the Nether, which they all will eventually, they'll see an updated Nether with additional structures, additional bosses and mobs. So it just adds a really nice mixture to your Minecraft server. So that is going to be it from me today. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time we release a brand new video. And of course, give this video a thumbs up, make it blue, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.